Hey guys, welcome to my channel, r.e.'s Beauty Tutorial. Here with another video. However, I decided I've been wanting to make a video like this for a while about my favorite concealers that I like to use, the consistency of it. So that's what this video is about. So right now I'm showing you guys the r.e.mbeauty concealer. I like this concealer because it's thick and a little bit goes a long way, and this will last you for a while, but you wait till you see the size of what's in here, the product, and how much product in there, so you guys can be able to determine which one you would like to buy. So you guys know I've been liking Tarte for some time, but Tarte got really high, like $30 or whatever. And I usually like to buy more than one concealer because I use it a lot. And you see here, if I like something, I buy more than one. Here is the Epic Liner eyeliner. So I love that product. So if I like something, I buy more than one of it. But if it's just too much, look, okay, we just got to learn. You can't just keep buying all this stuff. You got to let people send stuff to you. So, however, this is the sample that I got of the r.e.mbeauty. And I've had this sample for about 2 to 3 months. And girl, let me tell you, I mean, it's actually been longer than that. That's what I'm trying to tell you. Like, this product is thick enough and it lasts a long, long time. So do keep that in mind. So here I'm going to show you Tarte. So I've been using Tarte for so long. And like I said, the price is just it's too expensive. To buy more than one all the time, because I got to think about my kit, then I got to think about my makeup kit, because some of the things that I like to use on me, I love to use on my clients as well. So Tarte got a little expensive. Tarte is in the range of $30, and imagine that with taxes, So now we talking funds, okay? Anyway, but it's still a good product, but I found something that is even better. Now the reason why I like the consistency of this product, this is the Urban Decay Stay Nude. And I love this product. My favorite part about this product is the wand and the way the wand is shaped. I can do my brows. I can do underneath my eyes. Put a little bit of, color underneath my eyes. Put a little bit of glow there using this. And I like it, okay? And I think it's way cheaper than Tarte. So I'm going to be showing you guys my favorite concealers that I'm just showing you. And Tarte is not one. I got a video on that. You can check that out. But these concealers that I'm using are, worth some money. They're worth the money to get. So right here, as you guys see, I am applying this Naked by Urban Decay underneath my eye. And then I'm showing you guys how I will hit the brow bone here. Now I didn't tell you guys this, I already got makeup on and I already used the Urban Decay one. I did my whole look with that one or whatnot. But hey, look, I'm just like, hey, it's better to teach you than to not teach you, But everybody teaches a different way. But however, check out the wand on this Tarte. The wand is a little bit more chubby and it's nice, don't get me wrong. But however, if it's the bigger the tool is, the more, coverage you'll get, and the less products you will have to, use. So think about that too, If you can afford Tarte, go get Tarte, okay? But hey, if you're just trying to, trying to find something a little, better and cheaper, you want to find something cheaper that is good and maybe better, I don't know, but it really don't matter. It's totally up to you. But girl, let me tell you. So I'm gonna take this brush and I'm gonna dip it into the r.e.mbeauty, and I'm gonna apply it to the underneath my eyes. Sorry guys, underneath my eyes. Sometimes I get tongue tied, but anyway, I use a brush and I only dipped it in there one time, and you see where that product went, okay? A little bit goes a long way, okay? And it's totally up to you. It's totally up to you. So in this video, guys, I was recording and actually talking to you guys, but my mic didn't pick it up. So here I am showing you guys the little matte sample that I had of the r.e.mbeauty in this video. So a little bit goes a long way. You see how little that sample was? Now imagine that sample to that product and how big it is. So I sprayed a little bit of setting spray, Urban Decay setting spray, because I remember using this brush earlier for a powder. So I end up setting it a little bit, spraying some setting spray on there, and then I begin to move the product because I didn't want my concealer to dry up. You know, if you add, you know, use a brush with powder on there, it's gonna, you know, it's gonna dry up the foundation, and then it's gonna begin to mattify. So I'm just blending that in real nice. As you guys see, it's really nice and smooth. And this product is really easy to blend because it's thin. It's not really a thick product, but it gets everything smooth. So right now I'm going into my Fendi butter setting powder, and I'm just setting underneath the eye because I like to set my concealers, especially if you don't like for your eyes to under eye to crease. You gotta really look up, you know, and just don't bring those eyes down, girl. Because, I mean, that's the only way you're gonna really defeat the creases underneath the eye, because the concealer is there to kind of make it lay, you know, make it kind of, you know, even out. But sometimes the concealer can't do much work. You gotta get some sleep, all right? But you can try. So the better you look up, the better, you know, you will lay the concealer down. And then you set it with a setting powder, any kind of setting powder that you like, and then that kind of helps seals the deal, okay? It helps the concealer stay in place. You know, if you're one of those types that don't like your concealer to move, you want to set it, okay? If you got watery eyes, waterproof eyeliner, the waterproof mascara, waterproof concealer. But if the concealer is not waterproof, you can make it waterproof maybe by using a powder. I don't know. A setting powder? I don't know. I gotta see. It depends on the foundation, all right? If the foundation full coverage, it's already waterproof, okay? But if the eyeshadow is not waterproof, I mean, if the eyeliner is not waterproof, it's not guaranteed. So you can make it waterproof by setting anything with a powder, okay? Just set it with a powder, girl. No need to go into all that, because I don't like y'all like that to tell y'all all that. Anyway, girl, anyway, boo. So, as you guys see, I'm just going ahead and finish up everything. I'm just going in, patting everything in, whatnot. Just giving this a full makeup, like, just so y'all can have a, you know, a fair chance. Everybody need a fair chance, okay? Now, however, girl, look, whatever side you like the most, hey, that's what you go for. Now, it's totally up to you. It kind of look like I need to blend some more on my left, because that product is so thick, you know, you need to take more time and make sure you blend real well, real well. But I'm going to put my glasses back on anyway, but I ain't going nowhere. But it really would be nice if I would just blend that side. I'm hoping that I'm going to blend that side in this video, but I don't know yet because I don't remember what I did in this video. Okay, from the looks of it, I said to hell with that side, and that's it. Girl, it don't normally look like that. That's a really good concealer, but however, I just didn't probably, you know, feel like I didn't pay attention enough to really just blend that out or whatever, because I already had makeup on. But then you got to look at it like this. The r.e.mbeauty probably is not really doing well with the concealer that I've used before, which on the other side, I told you guys that I was using the Urban Decay, which I love Urban Decay, and maybe, but it don't look like it's a problem. It just look like I just need to blend it some more. So let's just be clear. It just seems like I just need to get on that side and blend a little bit more. You guys can see it because I see it, but you may can't see it, but I'm telling you I see it, so ain't no problem if you see it. It's cool. I know when I mess up, and I ain't got no problem saying, hey, I, you know, blend that in. But that's the thing, girl. That's why I don't mind wearing makeup out, because I'm going to see my flaws. I'm going to see what needs to be fixed for anybody else. So you come tell me I ain't do my makeup right, or I'm going to be like, you a lie. Anyway, so keep it moving. I'm just raving about this concealer because it's a really easy and on-the-go concealer. The r.e.mbeauty is a nice concealer. More come in it, you know, than normal concealers, but it's still a great concealer to use. You know, if you living on a budget and you don't want to buy products so much, girl, if you use all that product from r.e.mbeauty, then that's something wrong, because it don't take that much concealer to use on nobody. It's a nice amount come out already. So just keep your mind, just keep thinking about that. You know, you don't take that much. So as soon as I'm done blabbing, I'm gonna show you how the r.e.mbeauty jar looks, and I'm gonna compare that to that little sample that I was using. And I'm just letting y'all know that a little bit of it goes a long way. I've had that thing for some time and I'm still using samples, okay? I haven't even went to the r.e.mbeauty yet, the actual product or whatever. And it also comes with like a scoop. You know, I did share that with you guys. I didn't let you see that, but it actually comes with a scoop, which is really cool to have, you know, in a concealer that is thick like this. So I'm comparing to you the little MAC sample with the concealer in there. And this is the actual product. As you see, it's a lot and it's thick. It doesn't take much. And it's in this nice fall bottle that says r.e.mbeauty. And then as you see, the Stay Naked is more of a travel size. Both of these are travel size friendly, okay? However, it's totally up to you. I really like the Urban Decay one because I like to scope my brows out. And I like to use the product applicator to do that. So I see y'all in my next video. I hope you guys like, share, comment, and subscribe. And if you want to see more videos like this video, let me know you want to see it, and I'll bring it to you. Now, I don't know when y'all gonna get this video because I got so many videos to get out to you. But I do appreciate you guys stopping by. I see y'all in my next video. Bye. I love you, my Father. Love you more. Be blessed until we meet again. Bye.